So here I have my watering session. I have some of these reusable, what are they? Restaurant things? I don't know where I got them from. They're probably recycled, I don't know. Then I have a 6-pack. This is from my haul. I'm probably gonna insert the haul into the same video, just plant chores. But right now I'm about to do a bottom watering session. So I wanted to show you how I kind of set them up. Looks like only 2 of ours there. That's cool. My smaller plants, and they're in like these pots that have, let's see if I can show you. That's the nursery pot, so I'll put it like that. But the planter has a hole and it's wicker, so I don't ever really want to water it in there. So right now I'm gonna water, let's see, okay. My green philodendron, my Brazil, over here. Who else? I'm doing like a mass watering. So basically this is how I figure out if my plants need water. Just lift them up. But right now, since it's summer and they basically all need fertilizer, I'm just putting a light touch of it in all of them. Here are the ones that need like a heavy watering though. Okay. Here's my Algerian ivy. Variegated, so beautiful. Most of the variegation's gone, but oh wow, it's sitting in water. Hopefully I didn't overwater my plants. I guess it's not as sunny as I thought it was gonna be. I guess it hasn't been as sunny as I thought it was while it was gone. I don't know. My Hoya Crimson Queen. This one, she looks like she's doing pretty nice. I'm gonna go ahead and fertilize her. And I think I might have her a little too close to the window. And she's getting sunburnt. I have a pack of 96 sticky traps. And I was just watching Jasmina Lowe, what's her name? Yes, I was watching Jasmina Lowe, one of my favorite Black plant moms here on YouTube. She was talking about how she protects her plants from pests. And she brought out her black sticky traps. And I was like, oh, I just ordered some of those. She actually said she cuts them into pieces, maybe like 2 strips, which I think is smart because I bought 96. I gave one to my boyfriend's sister. I haven't counted my plants in a while, but I'm sure I'm gonna use all of these. So yeah, cutting them in half, I'll show you how to do it. Old hair scissors. You just cut them and then you take the sticky part off. I have to put it somewhere where it's not gonna get on the leaves or like the foliage. So I'm gonna put one over here because I know a lot of bugs go by the window. This is like a little avocado seed that I have. And I wanna put something right here. I think I'm gonna put a little plant right here and put the sticky trap with the little plant. Here's my rainbow moss. Focus on the baby. I actually saw a golden moss in person. I'm not sure how her health is right now. She looks a little sick, a little dry. But she still has some blue, some gold, and some pink. Maybe the pink is dried out pieces. Here's like a little bit of fertilizer with a lot of water. This is what I'm gonna put in here for the baby. I just gotta figure out, oh, you see that pest right there? I just gotta figure out a way to get it in there, make it stay in there. I always see bugs over here, so I'm going to try to help you out. It's pretty sticky though, so you have to be careful. I'm gonna put it on this one too. You have to be careful with it sticking to your foliage, your leaves, you know. Yeah, my tip is like put it on the side, out of the way. This Enjoy is taking in the water and the fertilizer slowly but surely. I'm probably gonna have to dump it out. The container can be used as a planter. Of course, this could actually be used as a mat. Anybody, like right here, I could replace that with this. I don't know if anybody wants one. Anybody need this? So here's an update on my Hoya bibliata. I'm getting a lot of the dead leaves out. I have a feeling that this Hoya just might not be for me because it requires a lot more frequent watering than I can give it, you know? This is just some of the debris. Leaves, roots, stems, all that drop off. Yeah, she's down bad. So I'm gonna prune her, fertilizer, and water her and hope for the best. I just don't know. So I cut the sticky traps in half. I don't even know how many I cut, but I have them just like scattered throughout the garden. There's one back there on this snake plant. Let's see, right there. I have to be careful because I don't want it to stick to any of the leaves. One over there on the windowsill and the avocado plant, which is doing pretty good. The seed actually started to split. Here's my other seed. She's honestly just an experiment now. I don't feel like I gave her enough attention. I did a deep watering on my bright light plants. My hanging plants, they're gonna have to wait, but I did buy something to help me water them. You'll probably see this in a video soon, but I got a hanging basket drip pan, 10-inch, less water often. Lord, water less often. You can see it catches the overflow, it keeps your plants moist. It has these hooks so you can clip it to the side of your planter, indoor, outdoor use. I feel like it will work really well for my hanging plants. This one, I don't mind if it drops down because I let it go into this little pot right there. Okay, the fans are on, so I'm gonna talk a little bit loud. I tried those hanging basket watering things, but they wouldn't fit because of my decorative planters. So I'm gonna attempt to use this. Hopefully it works because I really don't want this to be dripping down on the ground. So it's dripping a little by little, very little, thankfully, because I feel like it would maybe be off balance. But yeah, you can totally make your own hanging planter basket watering things. You don't need the fancy ones. This one I think is good if you have one that doesn't have some type of contraption around it. Wall pocket hanger. I got 2 of those. Candy jar. I'm gonna use it to make a terrarium. Metal hanging plant bracket. Plant hanger, 30 inches. It looks like work boot shoestrings. Bell cloche. Basically like an open, I don't know. It looks like it's for outdoor plants. I don't know if it's supposed to take, I think it helps the plant stay alive because you can open it here.